Abraham Lincoln said, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe." This is actually very true in our case. So before learning penetration testing, you need to spend enough time, understand the tools that you're going to use very well. And this is what we will be doing in the upcoming lectures. We're going to explain Kali Linux tools and utilities and get to learn and to be familiar with those tools very well. So after installing Kali Linux, as you can see, it's a graphical interface and it's not quite hard to use. Now, all the tools that you will be using are inside application here, and they are categorized. Let me increase the screen for you so it will be easier to see. So as you can see, inside application we have different category. So information gathering, all information gathering tool, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, password attacks, database assessment. All the penetration testing tools are here and they are categorized. Now, you will not use all those tools. No, you're going to use most of them. And you'll notice that offensive security keep updating those tools. So when you do update from time to time, you'll see that some of the tool has been removed and some of the tool has been added. So it's quite easy to check the tools that you want to use according to the category. Now, some of those tools may be a script. So when you go and choose some of the tool, you will see it will open a terminal for you. So you will be using this specific script. So not all tools are graphical tool. Some of them will go to the, will open a terminal for you and will show you how to use the tool as a command line. Now, I don't want the command line issue to bother you in any way. I mean, if you do not know how to use Linux command, if you don't know how to use the right syntax in Linux, this is not a problem at all. You will get used to it. You'll understand the logic. We do not memorize the command. I will show you how easy it is to write any command. So do not get upset that in most of the cases, or some of the cases, you're going to need to write command yourself. This will not be a problem at all. Okay. So if you need to open a terminal and type a command yourself, you just right click here and you type open a terminal and it will open a terminal for you. We already explained how to browse the menu and everything, and we explained the file system of Linux, and you still can use the file systems the same way you are using Windows. So you can copy and you can drag and drop file, and you can delete and you can browse, and you can see different folder like download, desktop, same way we are doing in Windows. You know, in Windows, when you open my PC or my computer, you will find your profiles that include the home directories, the desktop, the documents, the download, where all the file will be there. So you still can use them the same way you are using Windows as a file system. So working with Kali Linux or with any Linux as a operating system is not that hard. So I don't think you need to spend much time discovering, because during the course you'll be discovering a lot of tools and a lot of methods. So you don't need to spend that much time discovering those tools, because during the next lecture you'll get to start using them and understand them very well.